Hi, I'm Avnish and this is MyCanvasInfinity, a Chrome extension that transforms Canvas into a smart AI-powered productivity dashboard. The problem: students using Canvas often struggle to stay on top of their work. Deadlines are scattered across multiple pages. There is no prioritization, and the clutter makes it easy to miss what's urgent. This creates stress and waste of time and missed opportunities. The solution: My Canvas Infinity solves this by automatically extracting assignments, analyzing urgency with Chrome's built-in AI, Gemini Nano, and presenting them in a clean, chat-style pop-up. Urgent tasks are color-coded, summaries explain why they matter, and the interface feels approachable instead of overwhelming. Here's how it works. A content script scrapes assignments from Canvas and structures them into JSON. That data is sent to Chrome's prompt API, which classifies urgency and generates summaries. Results are cached locally for speed, and the pop-up UI renders them as chat bubbles with badges and highlights. Building this wasn't easy. Canvas layouts vary. There were coarse restrictions, blocked API calls, and the prompt API specs kept evolving. On top of that, I had to polish the UI under tight deadlines. Each challenge forced me to engineer resilient, restart safe solutions. In my journey, I I got a lot of accomplishments. I'm proud that the extension is fully working with a delightful chat style UI, AI powered prioritization, and a modular pipeline that can recover gracefully if Chrome reloads. It's both technically solid and visually engaging. My future vision. This is just the beginning. Next steps include deeper AI insights like study plans, cross LMS support for Blackboard and Moodle, customizable themes, and even group dashboards for collaboration. This with My Canvas Infinity, students can stop drowning in deadlines and start focusing on what matters the most. Thank you.